So here we have a rational fraction and we need to resolve it into partial fractions. So let's begin. Here, what we'll do, we will consider three partial fractions here. So that means we can split 7x minus 10 divided by 3x minus 4 multiplied to x minus 1 whole squared into three partial fractions as a over 3x minus 4. The second one will be b over x minus 1. But x minus 1 is repeating twice. So we'll have to consider the third partial fraction, which is x minus 1 whole squared. Now our goal will be to find out the value of a, b and c. Here we're going to use a method known as the cover-up method. Using the cover-up method, we can find out the value of a. So a can be represented as take the original rational fraction and cover up 3x minus 4. So we have x minus 1 whole squared in the denominator. Since we have covered up 3x minus 4, so we'll equate it to 0, and solving for x we get 4 over 3. We'll substitute this value into in place of x, and that's going to help us find out a. We have 7 multiplied to 4 over 3 minus 10 divided by 4 divided by 3 minus 1 whole squared. So let's solve this, and this is going to give us negative 6. Then we can find out the value of c using the cover-up method. All we have to do is take the original rational fraction and cover up x minus 1 whole squared. So since we've covered up x minus 1 whole squared, so we will equate x minus whole squared to 0, giving us a value x equals to 1. We'll substitute x with 1, so we have 7 minus 10 divided by 3 minus 4. So 7 minus 10, that's negative 3. 3 minus 4 is negative 1, so c comes out to be positive 3. Now, clearly, we cannot use the cover-up method to find out the value of b. That's because if we use the cover-up method, then we'll get 7x minus 10 divided by 3x minus 4. We can only cover up one of the factor, which is x minus 1. So we are still left with x minus 1. Here, x cannot be equals to 1, and we can say the b cannot be equals to this particular rational fraction, and we cannot find out the value of b because that will make the denominator go to 0. Now the question is, how do we find out the value of b? For that, we are going to use equation number 1. So we'll take equation number 1 and we're going to multiply throughout with 3x minus 4. So let's multiply equation number 1 with 3x minus 4 when x minus 1 squared. So this is going to give us 7x minus 10 on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we're going to have x minus 1 whole squared times a plus b times 3x minus 4 times x minus 1, and the c value will be 3x minus 4 times c. Now we see here that this is an identity in x. So since it's an identity in x, we are going to assume that x equals to 0, one value of x, which is going to make the equation negative 10 equals to a plus 4b minus 4c. Now we can substitute the value of a with negative 6 and c with 3. This will help us find out the value of b. So negative 10 will be equals to negative 6 plus 4b minus 4 times 3. So negative 10 equals to negative 6 plus 4b minus 12. So negative 6, so we can rewrite this equation. So 4b is going to be equals to, so negative 6 minus 12 is negative 18. So we have 18 minus 10, so that's 8, which gives us the value of b as 2. Now that we have obtained the value of a, which is negative 6, c, which is positive 3, and b, which is 2, we can substitute this into our equation number 1 to get the final result. Let's do that. Thus, 7x minus 10 divided by 3x minus 4 multiplied to x minus 1 whole squared. That will be equals to negative 6 over 3x minus 4 plus 2 divided by x minus 1 plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole squared. So this is the final value. We have successfully split the given rational fraction into three partial fractions.